Going down this lovely little quiet lane now. How's that for a beautiful barn conversion with stunning views? Oh, it's been very pleasant at the moment. Some of the clouds are a little bit darker, but it doesn't feel like it's going to rain. Could be wrong, of course. But then when you've got clouds like that just to the right, you kind of think maybe not, we'll be alright. But we're just going down this country lane, enjoying the peace and quiet. Because we're making such good time, we've decided to stop off at this field and just sit down. We've got another sandwich to have, maybe a packet of crisps, maybe a nice little drink of water, and just chill out. Chill out with my wife. Beautiful day. And in a few hours' time, we're going to go on a helicopter, all being well.
We think.
We think, Sue said. We hope. But we just enjoy the field. Nice little chillax in a farmer's field. Oh look, there's a tent in there, dead opposite. But we were just in a field on our own. We took nothing but photos and left nothing but footprints, as they say. It was very nice. We're probably less than an hour to our site where we've left the car and where we're supposed to be having a helicopter ride. Although by all accounts, not flying till 5 or maybe a bit later. So we'll see. We'll see what happens when we get there. Can you, Adam and Eve, the first blackberry. The first blackberry of the year. Okay, here we go. Oh, there's a little green aphid on it. Oh well, blow that off, that's fine. Right, let's give it a taste test. A bit sharp. But alright, not bad for... There's even more here. Oh, they come out early. There's none our way. Look at this. Oh, that's good. Good blackberry. Very impressed. How cool is this? Got carrots, spuds, cucumbers, courgettes. I think that looks more like a bit of a marrow there. Maybe a cucumber, I don't know. And you put your money in there. How cool is that? I like that. Very nice. These are the things you see on country lanes. Got fantastic views now. And we've got cows down there. I don't know if you can see them on the camera, but no walk is complete without cows. So we do have them. Sun's shining. Not a drop of rain. Oh, there's the cows. There we go. There's the cows. Yeah, been a lovely walk. Nearly there. Here's the field we're parked in, and there is the helicopter that we're going to be going up in soon. Looking forward to this. This is our view at the moment. About the noisy helicopter videos, couldn't do much about that. But this is we get a cream tea after. Little cup of tea, 2 cream scones. Beautiful. Nice day today, loved it.